Good morning, everyone. You know what time it is? It's time for Sandy's Silly Sound Sun Salutation. in Hello Kitty crazy mode, because we are just Hello Kitty crazy today. Okay, so today instead of putting on wings, I actually put on whiskers. So if you want to, put whiskers on and join me. Or put your wings on, because I'm going to pretend I got wings, but I got whiskers on today, so that'll do. So now it's time for Sandy's Silly Sound Sun Salutation, where we're going to make noises like cows and cats and dogs and cobras. You ready? Let's do it. I'm going to take my hat off for this, because it's going to fall off anyways. Oh. Oh. Let's lean down slowly and gently, and let's go down and tickle our toes. Now let's tickle our wingtips. Oh, shit. Into lunge pose. Let's go into lunge pose. Oh, from lunch pose, we're going to go into high plank. Oh, God. Oh. High plank. Let's go into low plank. Now we're in low plank. Oh, shit. Oh, lie down on the floor. Okay. Yeah. Breathe in and hiss like a cobra. Oh, God. Now let's do cat and cow. Meow. Oh, God. Meow. Oh, God. Meow. Oh, oh, God. Now let's do downward facing dog. We're going to do the poem called Fetch. Are you ready? Ready? Let's do it. Fetch. Life is roof when I'm home alone. I just work at the mailman. But then my human comes home and we run, and pant, pant, pant. My human likes to throw sticks, and I bring them back. We go inside, and I get my ears scratched. We have a howling good time. Oh, into lunge. Oh, God. Oh, oh. Oh, God. Oh, tickle your toes. Tickle your wingtips. Come up really slow. Oh, God. Oh, let's look at the sun. Oh. Oh. Oh, God. Oh, God. May sweet water and light laughter fill your days till we meet again. And you know that is the official greeting of the Ninja Kittens. We always say that. And today I want to show you something special. I'm going to show you my leggings because I made these. These are little fishnets that I got at a place called The Mission. And I put my own roses on them because they just look gorgeous. And I put them over some golden stockings. So, do your best, be your best, and thrive on, my Ninja Kittens. Thank you for joining me doing Sandy's Silly Sound Sun Salutation with Whiskers.